Hi, it's Day with RoboJob USA. We're here in Rockford, Illinois at another install. Right behind me, I have a 165 kg pallet load RoboJob. Check it out. So with me is one of our sales engineers, Nate Milianti. Nate, tell us something about this amazing, huge robot standing behind us.
Sure, let's take a closer look. So here we have a 165 kilogram robot, which is actually the largest standard offering in the RoboJob catalog. This robot is capable of picking parts up to 250 pounds. This robot is a part of a pallet load system, meaning that the robot will pick raw parts from this pallet, load them into our Puma SMX3100 ST, and then unload the finished parts back onto this pallet. Though there's only one pallet in this system, we actually have the ability to accommodate up to 4 pallets. Like our standard RoboJob systems, our pallet load system comes with an alphanumeric pallet, which correlates with the RoboJob software, allowing you to load raw material efficiently and accurately.
Wow, that was a great overview, Nate, of this 165 kg RoboJob robot. Now, how is this machine shop going to benefit from using the system? What are the advantages?
So not only are they creating a more efficient environment and going to see an increase in spindle uptime, they're actually creating a safer environment for their operators, not having to load and unload heavy parts all day. And like all RoboJob systems, they're going to see the benefits of being able to run lights out and over the weekend.
There you have it, RoboJob USA at another successful install in Rockford, Illinois. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day.